First, you get 2 pieces of paper. Speaking of paper, I read in the newspaper today that there will be a baseball game somewhere. Today in the news, I had breakfast. Then I bought something nice. Oh, now you should fold the paper diagonally like this. Then fold it again like this. You see that? And now, Eddie Forshak will take over.
Yeah, hello, this is Eddie Forshak. Now as you can see, you need to fold the paper with the red piece on top of the yellow piece. And before I continue, did you see how England won the football? I would really love some coffee with chocolate strawberries. That would make my day. Oh yeah, fold the paper this way, then turn it around like a ballerina. Speaking of ballet, I saw the absolute worst version of Carmen. It was this modern dance rubbish that had nothing to do with the original. Now, fold the paper until it looks like this. And now tagging in his handsome Flint schnozzle. Tell him, Flint.
Hello, this is Flint Schnozzle. Now you see how the paper is looking? If your paper looks like that, then you're doing a great job. And if your paper looks like this right now, then you're doing a fantastic job. And look at your paper, then look at the one on the screen and check to see if it looks like that. Now fold in half, then another half folding upwards, then fold again downwards, just like that. Woohoo! You're almost done. Yellow Butter, would you like to take over?
Oh boy, yeah. Now tuck the paper like this, and do the same for the other 3 corners. I drank some orange juice today, and I ate a cheese sandwich. And look, you're done. A YouTube play button.
Or a coffee bean.
Is that a button or a bean?
What is it? Leave a comment below. Subscribe for more of this.